You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name once and for all correctly. Generally, a name from German. If you want to learn how to pronounce more German names, make sure to stay tuned. Pronounced in German, Henrique. If you want to say it in English, therefore, just say Henrique. How to pronounce Henrique. German pronunciation Henrique, English pronunciation Henrique. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.